Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something truly special on Chill Breaks. 2024 Top Series 1 Baseball. We're going to keep it nice and relaxing, so just find a comfy spot and enjoy this chill break. These cards are always a highlight for any collector, and this year's set is looking absolutely fantastic. It's just not about the cards, it's about the stories and about the memories they bring. I'm having a little struggle opening this box. So I'm using a paper clip. I couldn't find my scissors. I couldn't find my box cutter, but I hope it doesn't make everybody cringe. All right, we're looking for one auto or one relic in the box. 12 cards per pack, 20 packs per box. This set kicks off the 2024 MLB collecting season, so it's a truly beautiful base set. We got it's probably a chrome bonus pack. Chasing Ellie and other rookies. We want some stars. We want some special subsets and inserts like the 89 Tops variants. They're like a little nostalgic touch. And as we go through these packs, let's take our time and appreciate the artwork as you like and subscribe to this chill break. All right, let's get into this hobby box. Let's check it out. Let's look at the design. Oh, nice. It's like a little neon sort of retro kind of lining this year, or border. The Astros here. I'm not too familiar with all the baseball players right now. I think I know the stars. I know the rookie to chase in this box. So, if you stumble upon the video and end up watching it, let me know. League leaders, it's cool. Each team, I think, has its own card like that. That's cool. Phillies. I live in New York, so big Yankees fan. Like to see that. Let's see, Ramirez. Cano for the Orioles. Nice. It's really nice this year. The design looks great. Let's appreciate the artwork, the player stats, little details that make each card unique. Pack 2. Because, whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, there's something truly magical about a Topps series, like this sort of base set baseball, the one that's been going on since the 50s. It's kind of a nice legacy to be a part of and to keep continuing to produce. Cards look nice. Got some rookies here. We'll start to separate those. Oh wow, this is our first 89 parallel. Miguel Cabrera for the Tigers. Cool. Cole Rackens. Alright. So we always sleeve up the rookies here in Chill Breaks, but I'll save it for the end. Use the magic of some quick cutting to take care of all that. There are a lot of cards in this pack. 240 cards. Saving some rookies and Joe Jaquez for the Red Sox. Is he good? Let me know. Justin Martinez. Oh, look at this. Ken Griffey Jr. Shout out to all the homies who played Ken Griffey Jr. baseball on the N64. That was a banger back in the day. I like these 89 inserts. Next pack. Starting off with Vlad Guerrero Jr. for the Blue Jays. The design actually is really nice. I know I've said it a couple times. Coco Montez. Solid handle right there. Oh, Cal Ripken Jr. Grand Gamers. Maybe part of that 89 insert. Looks good. Max Muncy for the Dodgers. Get rid of that wrapper. Nice. These look really great. We got our first little something, first little refractor, little parallel right here. CJ Abrams for the Washington Nationals. Sleeve him up. I wonder who he is. Is it worth it? Does he get a top loader? Let me know. Alec Marsh, pitcher for the Royals. Pretty good shot. I always wonder what it's like, to go through thousands and thousands of photos probably for players and pick the one that's going to be, your card, your rookie card, going to stand the test of time to whatever story that emerges for you on the field. It's a little mini doc idea for you tops, if you're listening. Charlie Morton for the Braves. Nice. New York Yankees. Another moment card, checklist card. Nice. Joey Votto. Alright. Let's clear the board. Get to our next pack. Gotta love that pack rip sound. Trey Cabbage. Kodai Senga for the Mets. League leaders with Ronald Acuna Jr. on there. Sucks about his ACL. For all the Braves fans out there. You hate to see a cover athlete go down. Oh, what is this? Got a little Mookie home run challenge. Yeah, I might participate. Scratch it, see what's up. Maybe for another day. Gabriel Moreno for the Diamondbacks, future star. Does he deserve a penny? A top loader? Let me know. Next pack. The Orioles. Tough competition, lots of young talent. Oh, Volpe. Here we go. I'm going to sleeve this up. It's going to go into my personal collection because as a Yankees fan, I mean, again, I'm not like super into baseball right now, but I could get back into it. I mean, it's kind of a fun way to start getting back in. I like to hit up a Yankees game. It's like a 20-minute train ride from my apartment here in New York City. Oop, bump to the camera. Let's clear the board. Let's sleeve up this Garrett Cole card. Cool. Future stars. Will Anthony Volpe be a future star? I guess only time will tell. The card stock actually feels pretty nice too this year. Like it's just the base set, so it's not the regular top set, so it's not on the chrome stock. But they have a little heft to them this year. It doesn't feel cheap, which I think is really nice. All right, let's get into the next pack. Another moment, Astros no. Valdez throws a gem. Shane Bieber. Future stars. Odi Perez. Zach Geloff. He's supposed to be pretty good, right? I might put him off to the side. I feel like I've heard that name before being talked about, or I read about it somewhere. I mean, he's definitely not one of the top ones we're chasing. Last year it was for the Orioles. This year there's a couple Reds rookies we're looking for. The Rockies. Brendan Rodgers. Another league leaders. Orioles, Logan Webb. Got a rookie here, Johan Rojas. AJ Smith Shaver. No, that was so hard to pronounce. Cal Ripken, 1989 insert. That's nice. Oh, look at this gold league leaders. It's numbered too. Interesting. Out of 2024. I'll show you guys at the end. Stick around. That's interesting. I mean, why number something out of 2024? I mean, it's kind of. I mean, I get it. It's 2024 set, but it's almost useless. Ronald Acuna Jr. Oh, sorry about your ACL, bud. You are an exciting player. Hope you don't lose that explosiveness and you can come back from that. I also like the Braves in this like 80s throwback jersey that they have this year. On the cards, at least. Luken Baker, Reese Olson, Clay Holmes for the Yanks, Trent Grisham. All right, nice. Let's move on to the next pack. All right. Choke. Oh, there it is. That's nice. It's just a base card, Ellie De La Cruz rookie card from the Topps product. I know some people might be chasing, his Bowman from last year, if that exists. I don't know. But it is pretty fun to hit, the rookie that you're chasing for, even if it's just a base card. All right, yay us in this viewing. Get a little lull as the next track loads. Again, the cards look really nice this year. Pretty cool. All right, moving on. We're going to the next pack. Let's see what we have here. Opening it up. Love that sound. Love cracking wags. Hope you like watching and experiencing. These videos, if you made it this far, the intention is like, everybody's, doing group breaks. Everybody's doing, reviews of products. I don't know. As I got back into the hobby again, I just found something really. Oh, look at this Bryce Harper. That's nice. I just found something very soothing about watching people open packs. The ASMR elements, I guess. The fun of watching people react to hitting something good. And I'm hoping that a video like this can fill a gap from, that card fan, that collector, nice Aaron Judge, who just wants to, watch people open a box while they're, taking a bath, or before you go to bed, or on a rainy day where you're just chilling on the couch. You need to kill 15 minutes before you hit a reservation. That's who these videos are for. Something soothing and relaxing. Oh, here we go. Nice, interesting Pirates parallel. To Brian Hayes. Sweet. Royce Lewis, 2000 hits Grand Slam in consecutive games. That's pretty dope. I like those inserts. Got a rookie for the Marlins, Jacob Amaya. Let's sleeve some of these guys up. I like these inserts. Start with Brian Hayes. I really like the border on that one. Oop, sorry for hitting the camera, guys. And gals. Let's clear the board. All right, just a few more packs. Next one. Here we go. Merrill Kelly. Patrick Wisdom. Gleyber Torres for the Yanks. Nice. There's Ellie on there for the Reds overall. Nice. Shohei on the insert. Like it. Give Shohei a little penny sleeve love. All right, let's clear the board. 4 packs left, plus our Topps Chrome bonus pack. Here we go. Dane Myers. Rizzo for the Yanks. Oh, here's our, what appears to be a relic. Congratulations, O'Neal Cruz for the Pittsburgh Pirates. Player worn memorabilia material. Not from a specific game. It's thin, like a 75-point stock. Feels good though. I don't know who that player is. It might be skunked on the bonus for this hobby box, but it's all good. It's about showcasing the cards, the experience for everyone out here who's subscribing to the channel. In the future, maybe there'll be a lot of subscribers, and maybe you'll exhaust or want to see where it all started. These first videos, because I'm still figuring some stuff out. But I know what I want the videos to be. Oh, Greg Maddux for the Braves. Nice. I grew up in Atlanta for that historic 90s Braves run. Excellent. Let's clear the board. 2 packs left. Another league leaders. Got a Cubbies card. Here we go. Got another refractor here. It's Devin Williams. Is he good? Future star for the Cubs over here too. Go ahead and give these some penny love right now. Is he a future star? Let me know. Alright, clearing the board. One more pack for our hobby box. That's 20 packs, each 12 cards. Here we go. Little last pack magic, perhaps. Longoria. Oh, cool. Julio Rodriguez and a kind of blueprint insert. Oh, this is really cool, actually. I kind of really like this design. I don't know much about this sort of insert, but I think they look really cool. That's a really good idea from the Topps designers. All right, let's see what our Chrome pack is going to be. Last pack. I guess in a way, Topps, I see that post your hit card in the back here. We've seen them before. Alright, let's take something numbered on the back. I saw that. Let's take a look. Cal Ripken Jr. Oh, I like the chrome stock feels really good, and it looks really good. The shine, the shimmer. Yoshida for the Sox. Rizzo for the Yanks. Let's go. Oh, this is an auto. Noelvi Marte. Oh, but I think he got suspended for like 80 games for doping out of 299. Well, it is a numbered rookie auto. for a person on the Reds who I believe has been suspended. I'm going to Google it real quick. Yes, projected to be the Reds starting third baseman this year, but he has an 80-game suspension. Let me shower you with some packs right here. I mean, honestly, it's really fun box to go through and rip. I loved all the inserts. These are great. I'm going to figure out which ones to sleeve up and which ones to hold on to on a garage sale that might come around. Pretty sure I don't know who this is, so might have gotten skunked there. The ones I sleeved up. I'm definitely going to top load that Ellie. We'll see what happens. Some pretty fun inserts, some pretty fun little refractors. Overall, I had a great time. Hope you did too. And look at all these rookies. Part of, like I said in the beginning, is, we know who we're looking for now, but you never know what any one of these player stories could be. So please like and subscribe. Join us next time on Chill Breaks. This has been Chill Breaks, Topps 2024 Major League Baseball Series 1 Hobby Box. Thank you.